stop playing with them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm facebyjdevinci. I'm here with a 1 week hair update. I've been wearing this wavy curly wig for a week and a day now. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I wrote some of the points on my phone just so I wouldn't miss it. The conditioner that I just showed you guys is what I've been putting in my hair. I've been using water and this conditioner. This is how my hair looks now. It's still kind of damp. Once it's fully dry, it's a bit more curlier, but this hair was very manageable. With curly hair is a bit of maintenance, but really all you needed to do if you wanted to was braid it at nighttime and it'd be wavy. If not, for some of the nights I was just putting it in a bun and putting on a silk scarf, and then the next morning just adding some more water and product and combing it out, and I was great. So I would recommend that you comb it out every night, only because since it's curly hair, I mean, I haven't had any tangling issues. This hair hasn't tangled on me, but yeah, I would advise you to detangle it and comb it out every night just so you won't, you know, experience any tangling. Okay, I just want you to have a good experience like I'm having a good experience. Okay, I could wear this on my head for an additional week if I wanted to, but it's time to take it out only because I want to do this blonde synthetic wig. But yeah, this was a total vibe. I'm gonna put it back on probably on Monday. This is gonna be like my everyday hair, and let me show you guys the back. But yeah, oh, there was no there was shedding when I combed the hair, which is expected for curly hair. So yeah, when I combed the hair out, I did experience a bit of shedding. But yeah, that's really it. I'm not expecting that. Even when you comb out your hair, you have no shedding. If you have any questions, leave them in my comment sections. I respond back to everybody. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
Shorty, stop playing with them. Let me see you twerk some. Shorty, stop playing with them. Let me see you twerk some. She got bands in her hands when that cash hit the flow. She says she need more. With hit, girl, there you go. Bring me more ones if that ass hit the flow. I'ma go ahead and let this cash go. So shorty, stop playing with them.